Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today we'll be using a different deck, guys, for our reading. So I'll be picking cards for your daily energy from this deck. So it will be one card for your daily energy, and we'll be picking 3 cards from the other deck for your love reading, guys, and 1 card from the wisdom oracle guidance. So that card we will pick at last, guys. So for your love reading, it's going to be 3 cards. So these are for your love reading, guys, and 1 card from the oracle guidance deck. And we will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, Taurus. So first, for your daily energy, what is the card? It's 7 of Suns in reverse, guys. With this card, Taurus, in your situation, this may relate to your career situation or your personal life, guys. You have come across great struggles, great stressful situations. You have scaled all the troubles, and you have come to this particular point in life where you have to make some important decisions, and you are unable to make that correct decisions. You have doubt in your situation, what you need to do and what is your next plan of action, and what you need to do to move forward in your life today. This may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys. And you feel that you are a victim in your situation because of how the circumstances are unfolding in your life. Maybe because of some people involved in your life, or just because how the circumstances are turning out to be. So you are not getting that clarity what you need to do today. So maybe for some of you, you are quite anxious about the way things will proceed further, and you have doubt. It may be a doubt on yourself. Maybe some of you may lack confidence, or for some of you it may be maybe doubt about that decision itself. So you are not clear, that clarity is not there. That is what I see here with this card, Taurus, for your daily reading. So let us see what is the card for your love reading, guys. So we will turn these cards now. It's Ace of Pentacles in reverse, 9 of Swords in reverse, guys. We will keep this card aside, and the Emperor, guys. So with these cards in your situation today, Taurus, maybe for some of you, you are in a good position in life, maybe financially, or in your work situation, maybe the way you do things, maybe your work position. You may be a manager, a team leader, something, CEO, something of your position is a success, but you may be finding few obstacles today that you need to overcome. Or it may be in your personal life, you are in a good position, maybe in this relationship with this person. You may share that understanding, love, because of your position in life. This person may feel that you are trying to use that kind of authority on them, trying to dominate them in certain decisions. So something stressful in your relationship is happening, guys, because of the way you relate to them. They may feel that you are trying to control them in some ways, and this may be your energy towards this person, or your person's energy towards you. So they may feel that you are not to be trusted. Some kind of suspicion they may have on you, Taurus, some kind of doubts because of your behavior, or it may be your energy towards this person. So some kind of doubts or some fear or suspicion is there in this connection today, guys, and you are not totally happy for how things are going. You may be in a relationship with this person, but you are not having that happiness and peace of mind because of this connection. Something is troubling you. Maybe the way you deal with your connection, maybe the way you try to control them, or it may be your way of dealing with things. You are a person of certain ideals and beliefs, and you have a particular way of dealing with any situation. So maybe you just want to protect this person, have that stable life with them. That may be the reason that you are taking few steps, but they are not happy with it. They feel that you are too dominating or controlling in your situation today, guys. So that may be the reason that they are not able to find that compatibility, happiness with you, Taurus. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So let us see. We will open our last card. So this is an oracle card, guys. So this card may or may not relate to our situation, Taurus, but it is a card that gives us the guidance that we can follow to make things go in a better way, guys. So let us see what is the card. To the Sea. So with this card may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation, guys. So this just means that you have to be in the flow. How natural, how things are unfolding in your life, that is what this card is about. You have to have that effortlessness in your situation today. Make your decisions effortless. Go with the flow. Trust and have faith in your life, how things are unfolding for you in your life, guys. So even in our relationship, you have to trust how things are unfolding in your life. So when you are interested in that other person, you have to just be curious, wait to see how this relationship is moving, maybe towards engagement or marriage, or maybe you are taking a break from each other in this connection. So what it is leading to, so you have to just relax and watch how this journey unfolds in your personal life, guys. So that is what this card is about. The same way in your work situation also, you will have lots of opportunities and offers coming your way, guys. And if you just see the truth in any situation, how things are just flowing, and be grateful for how things are coming towards you, you will be welcoming a greater potential for success and prosperity in your life, guys. So everything that you need will come towards you easily and automatically. So all you need to do is just stop resisting and fighting the situation, however this takes you, guys. So that is what this card is about. So if you do that, if you stop resisting and fighting the situation, and if you just trust the flow wherever things are leading you in your personal life or in your work situation, you will just be happy to see that your life is moving towards a greater positive potential, and you will be moving towards greater success in your life, guys. So that is what this guidance is about, and that is the reading, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.